Matplotlib funcanimation blit slow. I'm having issues with a slow animation in Matplotlib. I'm animating results from a simulation, which is easiest visualized with an array of rectangles that change color with time. Following recommendations here, I'm using blitting to only draw the small fraction of rectangles that change in each frame. I also tried to implement this using funcanimation, but when using that with blit equals true, the script runs much slower. I'm wondering if this is because I'm returning all of the rectangles to funcanimation, so it redraws all of them even if they haven't changed. Is there a way to pass different artists at each frame to funcanimation? I tried just passing a tuple of the ones that had changed, the commented out block in the animate function, but that led to seemingly random animation frames. Use? Thanks.
Update 600 rectangles every frame is very slow. *_blit mode in your code is faster because you only update the rectangles which is color is changed. You can use patch collection to speed up drawing. Here is the code.
Isso vai funcionar para os